In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Audacity. If you're brand new to Audacity, don't worry. This will be quick, clear, and confidence building. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a recording started, what you should be seeing on screen, and a few simple cues to help you capture clean, usable audio. First, open the Audacity app. When it loads, you'll see a clean workspace with a large blank area in the middle. At the very top is the main toolbar where the transport controls live. These are the familiar playback buttons, and among them you'll spot a bold red circle. That red circle is the record button. Just below or near the toolbar, you'll also notice level meters that light up when sound is being detected, and along the bottom, timing information that shows where you are in the project. By default, Audacity listens to whatever input your computer is set to use, so if your system already has a microphone selected, Audacity will pick it up automatically. When you're ready to capture audio, click the red dot icon on the top toolbar. The moment you do, a new track appears in the main area, and you'll see a waveform begin to draw from left to right as you speak. This animated line is a visual representation of your sound. Taller shapes generally mean louder moments, while smaller shapes mean quieter ones. The timer will start counting up so you can keep an eye on how long you've been recording. You'll also see the input meters moving in real time. Healthy activity typically shows as green most of the time, occasionally nudging into yellow. If you see it slamming into the far end and turning deep red constantly, that indicates the sound is too loud and may distort. While you're recording, speak clearly and maintain a consistent distance from your microphone. Try to minimize sudden bumps, table taps, or rustling clothing, as these vibrations can travel into the mic and show up as big spikes in the waveform. If you're in a lively room, a bit of room tone is normal. You'll simply see a thin, steady line when you're not speaking and more pronounced shapes when you are. That's all there is to starting a recording in Audacity. Open the app, then click the red record button on the top toolbar. Once you see the waveform and the meters dancing, you're capturing audio. With just those two actions, you're up and